Hi, I'm Jenny Spinner, Chief Editor of Snack Food and Wholesale Bakery, and today I'm joined by our publisher and my boss, Doug Peckinpah. Doug, hello.
Hello.
So one of the things that's coming up later this year in September is the 2025 International Baking Industry Exposition. It's a must-attend event for everyone across the industry, and one of the features that I and a lot of other people are looking forward to are the exciting competitions and prestigious awards. The one we're chatting about today is Best in Baking, which gives suppliers and producers alike a chance to shine in numerous ways. Doug, I was wondering if you could tell us a little bit about what Best in Baking is all about.
Sure. So, Snack Food and Wholesale Bakery has been connected to the Best in Baking Awards since the beginning, since they introduced the awards several IBIEs ago. And it's really all about sustainability. So we partner with IBIE to honor companies who are committed to excellence across the industry, specifically related to environmental sustainability. But sustainability comes in many forms, and that includes corporate sustainability, operational sustainability, and so forth. So there are a variety of different categories. Qualifying companies they'll receive a notable level of exposure through Snack Food and Wholesale Bakery, our publication, as well as at the IBIE show taking place in September in Las Vegas. We will publicly be honoring all the qualifying companies, along with some special top honors presentations, which are designated in each category. All of the companies accepted into the Best in Baking program will also be free to use that honor as part of their marketing plan. So they can use the logo along with their marketing to show that they have been recognized for their advancements in the area of sustainability for the next 3 years until the next IBIE show.
What are the different categories open to bakery companies?
Bakery companies who are attending IBIE have 5 different categories open to submissions for Best in Baking. These all dovetail into sustainability in some way, shape, or form. These are plant efficiency, workforce development, sanitation, and sustainable packaging innovation. Also, each of these categories are open to 3 different tiers of bakers. We know that not every bakery company is the same. So we have the high volume wholesale bakery category, which is businesses with 50 million or more in annual sales. Intermediate to smaller bakeries, which is businesses which are less than 50 million in annual sales. And then a retail bakery category for retail bakery companies of all sizes. So
Nice.
the sustainable packaging category is new for 2025, and this is an exciting area for us. It's been a great area of innovation around the world as extended producer responsibility, otherwise known as EPR laws, have come into effect. And we're very interested to see how bakers are bringing sustainable packaging initiatives to today's consumer marketplace. This is one of the hottest areas of product development right now. So really looking forward to seeing what comes through. For the 2022 Best in Baking program, we focused on overall product innovation with companies like Grupo Bimbo, the largest bakery company in our industry, as well as companies like Lenny and Larry's, the fortified cookie and snack specialists, and retail bakery specialist Dawn Foods, taking top honors in various categories. It's always super exciting to see how our industry is innovating and how these top bakery companies are delivering. And packaging is taking the focus this year, so really excited to see what comes through. All bakery companies attending IBIE who have invested in sustainability efforts should consider entering one of these categories to get the widespread industry recognition that they deserve. You make investments and you build it into your marketing programs, and you talk about this to your consumers in whatever way you can. And this is just another great opportunity to reach the industry, to reach your target market, and let them know how you've been innovating in terms of sustainability to let your product shine.
Um, So if bakery companies want to take advantage of this opportunity to learn more about Best in Baking and figure out how they can show that their products shine, how can they submit an application?
So complete details about these categories, along with the application forms, are available on www.bakingexpo.com. I would also welcome anyone with questions to reach out to me directly. You can find my contact information on the Snack Food and Wholesale Bakery Contact Us page on the website. I would welcome any and all inquiries. We're really looking forward to a great show and hope to see you in Las Vegas this September.